So the topic that we are going to discuss today is topic 1.3, that is chemical formula. The atomic composition of a water molecule can be described either in words, that is each molecule of water contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen chemically combined together, or you can have a look at this chemical formula, that is H2O. As you all know, this H represents hydrogen. It is a symbol of hydrogen element, while O is the symbol of oxygen element. Obviously, the chemical formula is a shorter way of describing the atomic composition of the water molecule. As we all know that the composition of water is H2O, 2 atoms of hydrogen while 1 atom of oxygen combine together and form water molecule. The water molecule, as you can see here, H2O, the chemical formula of a molecule shows the number and kinds of atoms contained in it. The chemical formula of a molecule of an element is denoted by the chemical symbol of the element and a subscript showing the number of atoms in the molecule. As you have seen here, these are the elements which are having their symbols, that is H and O. So to write down a chemical formula, we always use a chemical symbol. We will never write down the complete name, that is hydrogen or oxygen. We just show it by using chemical symbol. And we also use subscript. What is subscript? We will further get to know it. For example, H2 denotes a molecule of hydrogen which consists of 2 hydrogen atoms. As you can see here in this picture, here it is H, it is 2. This H is hydrogen, chemical symbol of hydrogen, as you can see, while this 2 is subscript. The number which shows the number of atoms, that how many atoms are present in that specific chemical formula, is known as subscript. So this subscript shows that 2 atoms are present in one molecule, and which molecule? One molecule of water, that is H2O. The same method is used in representing the chemical formula of compounds. There are at least 2 chemical symbols in the chemical formula of a compound because each molecule of a compound is made up of 2 or more different types of atoms. So now we all know that it is obvious that there must be 2 or more different types of atoms if we want to represent the chemical formula of a compound. When more than 1 atom of an element is present, the number of atoms is given by a subscript. The same way, as you can see here, in this formula of water, 2 hydrogen atoms are present. So what we did, we used a subscript to represent this presence of 2 atoms of hydrogen. When no subscript is written, we assume that the number of atoms is 1. Like here with oxygen, there is no number is mentioned, so it is obvious, it is understandable that here it is 1 present. So how many atoms of oxygen are present in water molecule? 1. And how many atoms of hydrogen are present in water molecule? 2.